Hi guys, today I'm going to be talking to you about how to remove blackheads at home. I see a lot of my patients are not able to visit the clinic and they're struggling at home, and also I get asked in live and I see patients who do wrong removal of blackheads and end up with more problems. So let's look at the steps of removing a blackhead at home. First step, assess your face, look at it carefully to identify which are the blackheads which would come off easily. When you look at the face, make sure you feel the face and see if they're soft blackheads which are easy to remove, do it. But if they're stubborn whiteheads, they are very deep seated blackheads or active acne, please do not touch them, because you end up with more infection and problem by pushing them deep in the skin and the infection may spread. Follow it up with cleansing your face. This is very important. Make sure you cleanse your face very well. If you're in the habit of exfoliating once or twice a week, you can do a mild chemical exfoliation of the face. After that, what you do is you soften the blackheads by warming them up. You can use a warm towel, put it on the face and leave it on for a few minutes. Or if you're too lazy to do that, you can just take a warm shower and that will help to loosen up the blackheads. After you do that, take up a blackhead extractor, which or the comedone extractor as we call it. You get it easily online. Pick up one which has a blunt end with a small blackhead express or a comedone expressor like hole in between. Avoid using the sharp tip of a blackhead, or avoid picking up blackheads which have these sharp tips or a hook shaped sharp tips, because those are for professional use. So do not ever use these kind of tips at home. Always use this blunt kind of tip at home. Always sterilize your blackhead before every use. You can use a rubbing alcohol or a spirit, or you can use even a sanitizer if you have at home. So do that and keep some clean cotton pads at hand, because you may bleed or you may have pus when you're doing the removal. So it helps to clean the area hygienically. Now let's see how we remove the blackhead. What you do is you take the blackhead extractor or the comedone extractor and place it bang on the comedone wherever you have it. So when you place it on the blackhead, or the comedone should come exactly in the loop, and then with a gentle pressure downward evenly express out the blackhead. Do not do uneven forceful pressure on the face to attempt to remove the blackhead, because you may end up by, as I mentioned before, pushing in the infection more deep and creating more problems. Once you're done, again sterilize the equipment and keep it back, and then after that what you do is you dab the area well, make sure no residues remaining out there with a cotton pad that I mentioned before, and take a spot anti-acne cream or an antibacterial cream and apply it on this area and leave it on. So that's done. You have removed your blackhead well and made sure that it doesn't get infected. So I hope this video helps you at home, and stay tuned to our Instagram, our Facebook and our YouTube channel to watch more such interesting videos.